Hello my dear students, in last video I have explained the format of P&L appropriation account, and in last lecture I told you that 2 to 3 classes are very important because I am going to explain the format. If you don't have the knowledge of formats, then you cannot solve the practical problems. So in last class I told you that if your capital is fixed, then you have to prepare three accounts: P&L appropriation account, partners capital account, and partners current account. If your capital is fluctuating, then you have to prepare two accounts: partners capital account and P&L appropriation account. In last lecture I explained how to prepare P&L appropriation account, so you should watch that video first. If you couldn't watch, then first of all watch that video, then come on this video. Now in today's lecture I am explaining the fixed capital method. So in fixed capital method we have to prepare P&L appropriation account, partners current and partners capital account. As far as the question of P&L appropriation account, I have already explained. So in today's lecture I am going to explain how to prepare partners current account and partners capital account. So let's start. It's 8th lecture of basic partnership fixed capital method. First of all, you have to prepare partners current account. It's not necessary. You can prepare partners capital, then you can prepare partners current account. But it's better to prepare partners current account first, then prepare partners capital account. So the partners current account, I have assumed in last lecture that there are two partners. So while preparing partners current account or partners capital account, it's a simple format that we have to draw particular amount, 4 columns. But here the amounts column will be subdivided in two categories because there are two partners. So particular and amount, you have to prepare particular and partner's name. Suppose two partners name are A and B, then particular A, B. If there are three partners, then particular A, B, C, particular A, B, C. But I have assumed that there are two partners, that's why I prepared only particular A, B, particular A, B. Except that you are not required to prepare the column of LF, prepare the column of debt, etc. Just this is the complete format. Now we have to learn what things we have to transfer in credit side of this account, what things we have to write in debit side of this account. It's very simple format. Number one, first of all, write here by balance BD. Balance BD, it means this is your current account. Like other items, if balance of current account is given in the question, it may be given, it may not be given. It's up to questions. If in your question balance of current account is given, that balance of A's current account is 10,000 and balance of B's current account is 20,000. If such balance is given, then you have to write balance BD. A's balance will be written in A's column, B's balance will be written in B's column. Just zoom the video and see here. I have given balance of current account. I write here give if given. It means if balance is given, then you have to write. If no balance is given, no need to write. So it's first point that write the balance of current account as balance BD. Second one, you have to write interest on capital if given in the question. You have to write salary and commission of partners if given in the question. P&L appropriation account. P&L appropriation account, I have written here a note. That last balance of P&L appropriation account, those students who watched the video of P&L accounts format, in that format we calculated the net profit at the end. That net profit is transferred in the credit side of partners current account as P&L appropriation account. So divided between A and B. Only 4 items are written in credit side of partners current account. Except these, no other item will be recorded in current account. What are the 4 items? Balance of current account, interest on capital, partner salary and commission, and the net profit find out from the P&L appropriation account. These 4 items will be recorded if these are given in the question. If any one thing is not given, then do not write that. Only 4 items are recorded in credit side and only 2 items are recorded in debit side. What are those accounts? To drawing. It means if any partner withdraw some money during the year, then it's called drawing. If drawing is given, then write it in debit side. If interest on drawing is given, then also write it in debit side. Except These two things, nothing is recorded in partner's current account. Now this is the complete format of partner's current account. Finally, we have to calculate balance. How to calculate balance? Do the total of credit side, do the total of debit side and find the difference. Subtract the debit side from the credit side and the balance will be written in debit side. It's called balance CD. This is the complete format of current account. There are only 6 items recorded in current account. 2 items are in debit side and 4 items in credit side. Try to draw this format 2 to 3 times in your copy. You will be used to. Second one is partner's capital account. Partner's capital account, it's very easy. Format will be same, particular AB, particular AB. But you have to write here only 4 things. Only not 4 things, only 3 things. Number 1, buy balance BD. What is buy balance BD here? See here, given capital. When you will read the question, there always in each question capital of partners will be given, because without capital no business can be formed. So capital will always be given. So given capital will be right in credit side of partner's capital account. If any partner introduced capital middle of the year, during the year, if any partner introduced any capital within the year or during the year, it is called additional capital. It may be given in the question, it may not be given in the question. If the additional capital is given, then write it in credit side as by cash. If given, then write. If any partner withdrawn some capital, drawing is different from capital withdrawn. Drawing is written here, capital withdrawn is written here. If capital withdrawn is given, then write it in debit side of capital account as to cash. Only 3 items are recorded. 2 items in credit side, 1 item in debit side. 2 items are capital, additional capital. 2 things are recorded in credit side and capital withdrawn is recorded in debit side. Now calculate the balancing figure. It is called your balance CD. This is all about partner's current account and capital account. And last lecture I told you the P&L appropriation account. If you watch both the videos together, then you will be able to find out the complete format of P&L appropriation account, partner's current account and partner's capital account. Then you have to try to draw 2 to 3 times the format in your copy, as when I solve the question you will be able to understand completely. Okay, see you.